The price of Avax has gone up by 0.83% in the last 24 hours. Avax could reach $22.16 in 2023. Avalanche's worst-case price estimate for Avax is that it will be worth $7.90 in 2023. The previous all-time high for Avalanche was on November 21, 2021, when the price was $144.96. Last week at this time, the price of Avalanche was $10.37. It went down by -6.83% last week and is now worth $9.87. In fact, Avax has gone up by 0.83% in the last 24 hours. On the crypto market, there is a little bit of a gloomy mood. Long term, however, the outlook is still strong, and Avax could reach $35.81 in 2024. At the time this piece was written, the total amount of Avalanche in circulation was $35,363,969.07, and the market cap of Avax stayed at $3,491,273,303. A price analysis of Avax. Since the beginning of April 2022, Avax's weekly chart has shown a downward trend, with $75.46 and $29.30 serving as important support and resistance levels. Price prediction for an Avalanche. The year 2021 has been busy for Avalanche. To make the current Avax price prediction easier to understand, we've split it into two parts: the short-term Avax price prediction and the long-term Avax price prediction. At the time this story was written, $92,782,432 worth of Avax had been traded. In the last 30 days, the price of Avalanche has gone down by -21.87%. According to our short-term research, the average price of Avax in November 2023 will be $17.84, and the highest possible price for that month will be $19.08. Also, our long-term research shows that the average price of Avax in March 2024 will be $31.53, and the highest price that could happen in March 2024 will be $33.74. The price of Avalanche on September 7, 2023, should be between $9.43 and $10.85, according to our research. The average price of Avax should be around $10.14. The price of Avalanche on September 8, 2023, should be between $9.50 and $10.93, according to our research. On average, the price of Avax should be around $10.21. The price of Avalanche on September 9, 2023, should be between $9.61 and $11.05, according to our research. The average price of Avax should be around $10.33. The price of Avalanche on September 10, 2023, should be between $9.74 and $11.20, according to our research. The average price of Avax should be around $10.47. The price of Avalanche on September 15, 2023, should be between $10.56 and $12.15, according to our research. The average price of Avax should be around $11.36. The price of Avalanche on September 20, 2023, should be between $11.57 and $13.31, and the average price of Avax should be around $12.44, according to our research. The price of Avalanche on September 30, 2023, should be between $14.12 and $16.25, according to our research. The average price of Avax should be around $15.18. Avalanche price estimate for October 2023. Based on our research, the price of Avalanche in October 2023 should be between $16 and $18.41, with an average price of around $17.20. The price of Avalanche in November 2023 should run from $16.59 to $19.08, and the average price of Avax should be around $17.84, according to our research. Avalanche price estimate for December 2023, based on our research. The price of Avalanche in December 2023 should be between $17.17 and $19.76, with an average price of around $18.47. Long-term price prediction for Avalanche. Long-term price prediction for Avalanche. Below is a look at how Avax's price might change in the future. Last time I looked, Avalanche was selling for $9.87. It has a market capitalization of $3,491,273,303 and a trade volume of $92,782,432. The price of Avax can be predicted by looking at how it has changed in the past, what is happening now, and how people feel about it. The price of Avalanche in 2023 should be between $14.77 and $22.16. The average price of Avax should be around $18.47, according to our research. The price of Avalanche in 2024, according to our research, will be between $23.87 and $35.81, with an average price of about $29.84. The price of Avalanche in 2025, according to our research, will be between $31.99 and $47.99, with an average price of around $39.99. According to our research, the price of Avalanche in 2026 will be between $42.87 and $64.30, and the average price of Avax will be around $53.59. Our study shows that the price of Avalanche in 2027 will be between $57.44 and $86.17, with an average price of around $71.81. According to our research, the price of Avalanche in 2028 should be between $76.98 and $115.46, and the average price of Avax should be around $96.22. Avalanche price estimate for 2029, based on our research, the price of Avalanche in 2029 should be between $103.15 and $154.72, with an average price of around $128.93. The price of Avalanche in 2030, according to our research, should be between $138.22 and $207.33, with an average price of about $172.77. The price of Avalanche in 2031,